Hello everyone, and thank you once again for joining me. Today I have with me a new product from GoPro, that is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Bought this off of Amazon where there was a deal. Retail price being 2099 dirhams. So this was retailing at 1599 on Amazon. So I thought I'd get myself one. Okay, so this is how I got it. I mean, there was an outer box. Okay. Here it is, the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Okay, we rip it from over here. Opening it up, we have okay, need to update the camera firmware first. We have some booklets. Then we've got some stickers here. And tips on how to maximize the usage of your battery in cold weather conditions. Q&A book. Then you have this is a Type-C cable, USB Type A to Type-C cable. Then you have two mounts. You have the screw. This is the second mount. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is the battery, right? Yeah. This is the new Enduro battery. This is the tab, you can pull it out of the GoPro. And then you have the GoPro itself. So if you have the GoPro 10, it is exactly the same, just minor differences. Okay, a slightly bigger sensor. I think it improves the low light capture. Apart from that, not much of a big difference. So if you're planning on jumping from the 10 to the 11, weigh your options. If you're not using the GoPro that much, might as well stick with the 10. But if you're jumping from something like a 6, which I used to have, then this is a good upgrade. Alright folks, so that's about it. This is a quick unboxing. I need to now play with it and see how it works and if it's faulty or do I need to return it, etc. Thank you once again for joining me, and you have a wonderful day, folks. Love you all. Bye for now.